Welcome to English with Fiona. Paper over. It's a lazy or deceitful fix. You hide a deep fracture without actually repairing the structural damage. For example, the politicians tried to paper over their deep disagreements before the election. Round on. A sharp, aggressive turn. A person suddenly snaps at someone who was previously safe. For example, the manager rounded on his assistant when the client complained. Squirrel away. This implies hoarding secretly over time, driven by anxiety about future scarcity. For example, she's been squirreling away cash in a secret drawer for years. Cotton on. The sudden realization of a secret. The light bulb moment happens after a long period of ignorance. For example, it took him a while, but he finally cottoned on to their prank. Muck about. It's foolish, unproductive behavior. It's often used to describe children or lazy employees. For example, stop mucking about and finish your homework before dinner. To shift for oneself. This carries a tone of abandonment. You are left alone to survive in a harsh environment. For example, when the company went bankrupt, the workers were left to shift for themselves. Clam up. A sudden, tight-lipped refusal to speak. This is usually triggered by tension, suspicion, or fear. For example, as soon as the police arrived, the witness clammed up completely. Palm off. This involves trickery. You shift blame or give a worthless object to an unsuspecting person. For example, the salesman tried to palm off a broken watch on the tourist. Flesh out. You do not just change a plan, you add meat to a bare-bones skeleton of an idea to make it complete. For example, we have a basic concept, but we need to flesh out the final chapter. Egg on. This is specifically used for negative peer pressure. It means inciting someone to take a reckless risk. For example, he jumped into the freezing river because his friends were egging him on.